Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 2, Build Accessory Package. At this point, you should have your Rome frame built. If not, go back and complete Part 1 of this series. Go ahead and unbox the kit and lay out all components. You'll find the motors, propellers, remote ID module, battery, and a hand controller, as well as an additional hardware, Bag E. The specific contents of your kit may vary depending on your configuration. Take a moment to organize everything so it's easy to access as we move into the next steps. Next, we'll install the motors, flip the drone upside down, and support it carefully using a foam block or similar surface. And do not rest the frame on the GNSS mast. To make installation easier, place a screw onto your driver first. Then bring the motor up to the arm and thread that first screw in to hold it in place. Orient the motor so the wires are facing toward the carrier board. Do not use thread locker on the first screw yet. Once the motor is supported, install the remaining 3 screws using a small amount of thread locker. Then go back to the first screw, remove it, apply thread locker, and reinstall. Once all 4 screws are in place, tighten them evenly and securely.